Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Learning Online YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to discuss about partial fractions as we were learning Laplace transformation, and I am about to start in inverse Laplace transformation, and for that we will require the concept of partial fraction. That's why we are here in this lecture, and partial fraction are also important for the students who are studying in class 9, 10 or plus 2. So do watch this video because this is going to be very helpful to all of you guys whatever the class you are from. And in this video I will discuss about all the basic concepts related to partial fraction and what are different types of equations which we come to face when we are solving the partial fraction numerical problems. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, when discussing about partial fraction, there are basically 4 types of question which we may encounter while learning about the partial fraction or inverse Laplace transformation. So first one is type 1, when denominator has linear factors. You can see here denominator, we have a fraction here over here, and the fraction are 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 times x plus 3. So here x plus 2 and x plus 3 are linear factors. Similarly, in this question also, question number 2, 3 upon x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. This is numerator and this is denominator. Here also this is numerator, this is denominator, and denominator are linear factors. Similarly, in type 2 we may encounter with repeated linear factors. When denominator has repeated linear factors. Repeated linear factors means when any of the factor lying in the denominator has power. It may be of cube, up to cube, square. It is depends upon the question. So when it is repeated linear factor, so how we can solve this, I am going to discuss in this series. Say similarly, we have third type, that is the denominator has quadratic form. Quadratic form, I hope you remember the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 form. You can see here it is ax square plus bx plus, in place of c we have 1 here. So these are the quadratic form. Here the coefficient b and x is missing, this portion is missing in this question. So you may encounter this type of question, and these are, do not get confused between this question and this question because both are of quadratic form. Now here is fourth type, that is improper fraction. Improper fraction means the variable in numerator carries higher degree than the variable in the denominator. So you can see here the coefficient or power or the degree of x in the numerator is 3. Similarly, when x get multiplied with 2x, here the power, maximum power in the denominator will be 2, that is x square. Square means power 2, and here 3. So these fraction are improper fraction, and how we can solve this improper fraction to find its partial fraction we will going to learn in this series. Similarly, you can see here also the numerator here has the highest degree 4, and here the degree is 2 only. So I will discuss one by one about these numericals, and you will be able to solve any kind of numerical related to that concept. So let us first discuss about the numerical example of type 1, that is when denominator has linear factor. So I'm going to write here type 1, that is when denominators has linear factors. So our question number 1 is 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 times x minus 3. So in this type of question, what we will do is, first let us write solution here, and we will equate this given equation with here see step. Our step 1 will be 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 times x minus 3 will be written as equal to a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. here we will use positive sign, because if the value of b will be negative, then its sign, positive sign, will automatically get converted into negative sign if the value of b is negative. And here a and b are constants, which we are going to learn how to find this value. We are simply splitting this single fraction into two fraction, which is the product of this fraction is the product of these two fractions. So next step will be, we need to multiply both sides with the denominator value, that is 2x minus 1 will get multiplied by the denominator. Denominator is x plus 2 times x plus 3, so x plus 2 times x minus 3, and we have x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals to a upon x plus 2. We are multiplying both sides with this denominator, so a will get multiplied with x plus 2 times x minus 3. Similarly, b will also get multiplied with x plus 2 times x minus 3 upon x minus 3. Now cancel out the like terms, that is here x plus 2, so we will have here remaining 2x minus 1 equals to a times x minus 3 plus b times x minus 3 and x plus 2. Let this be equation 1. Now our next step is we are here calculating the value of a and b, and how we can do this? We will put we have to make either of these two portion 0, either this 0 or this 0. So what we can do, if we put x equals to 3, positive 3, then 3 minus 3 will make this 0, a will get 0, and then we will simply be able to calculate the value of b. Also we can also put x equals to minus 2. If we put x equals to minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 will make this 0, and 0 when multiplied with this b, this whole will get converted to 0, and further we can find the value of a, because this 2 will help us to find the value. So first of all, let's put x equals to minus 2. So on putting x equals to minus 2 in equation 1, so we are putting x equals to minus 2 in equation 1. So on LHS we will have 2 times minus 2 minus 1 equals to a times minus 2 minus 3, and here minus 2 plus 2 will become 0 here. I am doing step by step so that you will not face any kind of confusion. So 2 times minus 2 will get minus 4, and minus 1 we will have minus 5 equals to a times minus 5. Therefore a equals to 1. Okay, now we have successfully calculated the value of a. Now what we will do, again we will put x equals to 3 here in equation 1. Again put x equals to 3 in equation 1. So on putting x equals to 3 in equation 1, we will have 2 times 3, I hope this is visible, 2 times 3 minus 1 equals to 0 plus b times 3 plus 2. So from here we will have 6 minus 1, 5 equals to b times 5. From here we will have b equals to 1. Now we have successfully calculated the value of a and b, so I am going to use this portion to get the final answer. So what we had, 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 x minus 3 equals to a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. So since therefore its partial fraction is, we have got the value of a, so in place of a we will write the value of a 1 upon x plus 2 plus, in place of b we will put the value of b, that is 1 upon x minus 3, and this is our final answer. Let's see one more example, that is 3 upon x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So again the procedure is same, so write down solution, and we have equation 3 upon x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Just you need to recognize the denominator and apply the procedure, which is different for different types. So here it is linear, so we are going to repeat the same procedure, that is a upon x minus 1 plus b upon 2x minus 1. Now again we will multiply on both sides with the denominator, so we will have here 3 times x minus 1 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 2x minus 1 equals to a times x minus 1 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus b upon 2x minus 1 times x minus 1 2x minus 1. So cancel out the like terms, so we will have remaining here 3 equals to a times 2x minus 1 plus b times x minus 1. Now what we can do here, again the procedure is same. For the first time we will put x equals to 1, so that this term will get 0 and we will calculate the value of a, and again we will put x equals to 1 upon 2. If we put x equals to 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2, then this term will get 0, then we will calculate the value of b. So proceed with step 1. Let this be equation 1, and right here put x equals to 1. So on putting x equals to 1, we have here 3 equals to a times 2 times 1, so 2 minus 1 will be 1, and this will get 0 plus 0, so from here we have a equals to 3. Similarly put again x equals to 1 upon 2. So if we put x equals to 1 upon 2, then we will have here 3 equals to 0 plus b times 1 upon 2 minus 1. On solving this, we will get 3 equals to b times 1 by 2 minus 1, we will get minus 1 by 2. So from here we will get b equals to minus 6. Now again I am going to use this here portion, that is we had since 3 upon x minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 equals to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon 2x minus 1. Therefore its partial fraction is a. In place of a we have 3 upon x minus 1, and in place of b we have minus 6, so minus 6 upon 2x minus 1. So this is our final answer, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you find this video helpful, then do share this video with your friend. In the upcoming lecture we will discuss about type 2, so do not forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself.